Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01728 error in Oracle Database 12c. So now I log in as a C ## common user in SQL Plus Editor. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So I am creating one table called planets. So this is an imaginary table. So first column planet name with varchar 2 size 10. Next planet weight column with the number data type. Okay, so I am giving the number data type 38, 128. Next planet distance from Earth column with the number data type. So 38. Okay, so now let me try to create the table. Okay, so here you can see that ORA-01728 numeric scale specifier is out of range. So what is the problem is that the planet weight column has error. See here that numeric scale specifier is very large. So I am reducing the scale. Okay, I am reducing the precision. So 38, 10, which is 28 digits will be the whole number, 10 digits will be the decimal part. So now you can see that table is got created.